Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we will learn how to search for a specific element in couple of ways, but me being me, in the last tutorial deleted everything, every row, so I need to really quickly insert something here. Of course you can just skip this part and yeah, sure, you can watch this of course. So I will try to be quick. And I will pretty much shut up here. Let's say Anna Smith with 1112224 for number. Let's see what's up. Okay, that's cool. Values. And yet another. Something very simple. Yeah, I think we are cool. Okay, select all from everything. Let's see what's up. Okay, so we have some data to work with. Nice. Okay, let's search for telephones, all telephones that start with one number, and let's say that number will be 1. So again, you will say, when you're creating your reports normally, you will say select, and let's grab everything from friends, where telephone, that's our column. Now what you need to use is new keyword, like. Okay, you will always use like when you are searching for things, and you will use strings after that. Inside of strings you will state what will be first character in this case, and that will be 1, but that is not enough. See, we have couple of numbers here, okay, and the first one is 1, but it can be a lot of numbers after that. So to grab everything, every possibility, you will use % symbol. Okay, and now we will get only that one result because there is only one Anna here with that number. Now this is useful, for example, if you are grabbing the range of IDs when you don't have a lot of entries. Let me explain. So you can also say from IDs, and then you will get all ones. See? 1, 1. So that's cool. Now, of course, you can use any other column. No problem. Okay, let's say name. And the same thing, you will just type alpha here, and then you will get both of Annas. There you go. Cool stuff. So just remember, when you know one character, one number in a first position, you will use that character and then % symbol, and then you will get all possible results, all possible ranges. Okay, next thing. What if you know just couple of or only one character at the end of specific element? So we are not talking about first character, we are talking about one or couple of last characters. So let's, for example, find all last names that ends in Z. Okay, ends in Z. So select all. That's simple stuff. I mean, like from example above, where very simple stuff. Last name. That's our column of interest, like. And now check this out. You just need to change one thing. So the last character is Z, but Z, but before that you will use % symbol. So this % is like all others, everything else. Here we have it at the start, and here we have it at the top. I mean at the end. And there you go, there is one person with last name Z. Now, of course, you can use couple of characters at the end. Let me see what I have in my imaginary table. Okay, let's say 77 is a number we are looking for. So telephone is our column of interest, and last two are 77, and then of course we'll get only Jon Snow. And there you go. Next thing. What if, for example, if you wanna exclude some row from a result? For some reason, I don't know that reason, but you just wanna remove all Smiths from your report. So what you're going to do is use not like. So use it before like, okay, not like, and then just type S, okay, sum, that's enough. And after that we will use percent symbol, and there you go. Oops, what I did? Telephone. Oh yeah, sorry. I need to work with last name. And now we will get all results, but without Smith as a last name. There you go. Very cool stuff. Just remember, like, not like. Very cool stuff. Okay, next question. What if you know something in between? For example, check our numbers here. I mean telephone numbers. So let's say that you are searching for a number with 1 and 2 somewhere in it. So here's the approach. Okay, we will work with telephone, and we are searching for that, so we are not excluding. Now the thing is that you will use 2% symbols, and left percent symbol means up to that, and well, how to describe this? Well, this is like imaginary left side with a lot of content, and imaginary right side, and in between we will have these two characters that we know. So these percents are like everything else from left and everything else from right side. Okay, and there you go, we have Anna Smith with 1, 2 in the middle. Very cool stuff. Just remember, like, little, like or not like, and put percent symbol. It depends what you're searching for, but it can be after, it can be before, whatever. And of course, if you want to grab something in the middle, you will use on the left and the right side percent symbols. So that's pretty much it. So you can practice this, but you will grasp this over time through practice, so don't worry too much. Okay, that's about it. As always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription, and see you next tutorial.